Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn about this kind of stylish end screens in your videos. So you can design, these are all clickable. If I click and open it in new tab, easily do that. So let's jump into the video and watch how can you design that and how can you upload them and how can you make your end screen stylish and awesome and you can grab more audience. So first of all, you need to go to the YouTube and here type end screen, no copyrights. Once you're here, you will find so many end screens here. For example, this one, you can download this one. You know that how to download these videos. Download any of them, then import it into your CapCut or any video editor. I have like downloaded this one and imported this one. This is my video. And whenever your video project ends, at the end of each video, you have to drag this one. So for example, like me, this is my video and at the end I want to add this one. Simply add this one. There is no need to change anything. If you want to change, you can, but if you want to make it more stylish, you can do that. But at the end, just keep in mind that the duration is not too long because it may affect your audience retention as well. Just stay on this one and delete the extra part, whatever you don't need. And split this part into two pieces and delete this part. Perfect. 5-6 seconds is fine. And then you export your video here and give the location, and that's it. Then what you need to do, how can you easily go to YouTube and update this one? For example, I uploaded this video and here I have written everything, description. What you need to do after uploading, just go to your end screen. And in the end screen section, you can see that this place I have this screen, whatever the video I downloaded, it appears here. And what I need to do, I can just go to element and add a video here. For example, this is video, and place it on the box, whatever the end part of our video was. Like this is right here. And then go to choose specific video here, and for example I want to choose this video, and this video will appear like that, right? So there is a video behind, it is already done. So if I want to delete this one, just keep it there and put it on the box. Your video thumbnail should be added there. And I want to replace this one or put a new video here, I can put this new video as well. As you can see, the white box, so I can place that video on that box anywhere like this. So that's it. You can place it on the box and there you go. You have a stylish end screen. And that's it, guys. You can just go and save these options. I'm gonna discard because this is already uploaded video. So thank you very much for subscribing. And if there is any comment, you can write in the comment section and consider subscribing, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.